Model, 2018 Ford Tourneo Custom 310 Ti Tdci Automatic Minibus. Body, silver, minibus. Mileage, 161,044. MOT, the 16th of July 2024. Engine, 1996 cc 2.0 Tdci 130 PS. Transmission, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts perfect. Runs perfect. It has a fault code for gear 1 ratio. Done some research and the dry clutch is faulty. Everyone is saying it goes into all the gears manually, but when you try drive it's like the clutch is slipping and won't change gear, which is why the auto box cannot detect to change gear. Dry clutch will need replacing. Gearbox is good. Condition summary, bodywork is extremely clean and tidy. Interior is extremely clean and tidy. Rear load area is extremely clean and tidy, immaculate, well looked after. Pride and joy. First to see will definitely buy. Features, 2 former keepers, part service history, air con, cruise control, 2 keys, electric windows. EU status, Euro 6. HPI, clear. Cap retail, £13,195. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info.